Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add photos in Google Business Profile. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Google and already login with our Gmail account. So this is our location. Press enter and then you see profile. Also you see verified profile. So click on view profile. And then you see multiple options. Also you see add photos, so click on it. So you can add photos according to your requirement. Now you see drag photos or videos here. So you can select photos or videos for your Google Business Profile. Now select. So this is our photo. Now upload. Now you see photo edit pending. So this is our logo. So you can add multiple images or photos according to your requirement. If you want, you can delete it like this. And also on top you see add photos, so it's up to you. And also on top you see add photos, so you can add photos according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.